Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fold Jaguar XE rear seats. First, make sure your Jaguar XE is parked securely on a flat surface. Then, open the boot or trunk of your vehicle. Before you begin, quickly check that there are no objects on the rear seats or in the boot that might prevent the seats from folding down smoothly. This simple preparation ensures a hassle-free process. Next, you'll need to locate the seat release levers. These are usually found inside the boot, positioned near the top corners of the rear seat backs. You should see two distinct levers, one for each side of the 60/40 split. Give each lever a firm pull to release the corresponding seat back from its upright, locked position. Once the levers are pulled, gently push the seat backs forward into the passenger cabin. They should fold down smoothly, creating an extended flat load space. Be mindful of the seat belts. Make sure they are not caught or pinched as the seats fold. This 60/40 split allows for versatile cargo configurations, giving you more than double the standard boot capacity. To return the seats to their original upright position, simply lift each seat back firmly until it clicks into place. You should hear a clear, audible sound confirming that the latch has engaged securely. Before driving, always double-check that both seat backs are fully locked and safe for passengers. This ensures both safety and comfort for anyone riding in the back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.